can tell by the title, today I got a hair review, 3 bundles, and a frontal of pure affordable hair magic. I love this hair way more than I thought I would, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it too. The links will be in my description. This is day 3 hair. It's getting bigger and bigger, and I love big hair. Now, day 1 is what you're going to see majority of the video. I didn't do baby hair because I was kind of going for the no baby hair look, but then when I did them, can you see that? Like, it made me love this hair even more. It's just like, I don't know, I don't think I can do no baby hair. So yeah, that's what I'm bringing you today. Links will be in my description. If you want a wig made by me, I'll put that link in the description as well. I think I've said everything. I don't want to waste your time. I miss you guys. I'm glad I'm back. Let's get straight into this video. This is Yiroo hair. In the box you will receive a wig cap, a pink satin bonnet, which is really cute, and of course your bundles, and I have a frontal. I have 3 bundles of loose deep wave in 16 inches. The hair initially felt very soft, no tangles, and that's always a plus. And I also have a 13x4 16-inch frontal. The frontal is pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do much plucking to it. I'm just showing you that the frontal is a bit longer than the closure, but after you make the wig, you can't really tell. I'm using a 22-inch canvas block to make my wig. I do have wig making videos, so I'm not gonna go into depths. I'm not gonna do too much explaining. I'm just gonna show you what I did. My wig tripod stand is flimsy, so it's doing a lot of falling, which is why I can't go into too much detail showing you. But I think you guys got the gist of how I make wigs by now. Just sew the frontal down from ear to ear. The frontal is very nice. I did bleach my knots with a 30 volume developer. The knots didn't bleach as well as I would like, but that was like my only complaint with the frontal. Now for my bundles, I start my first track off by just doing 1 weft. And then I double wefted every bundle except the last one. And I did use all 3 bundles for this look. I wanted it to be as full as I could get it. And I have to say, I love the fullness, which is why I prefer to make my wigs than to get machine made wigs, because you have control over how big you make the hair. Also, if you want a wig made by me, link will be in the description. This is how the wig is looking when it's done. I used the extra large cap this time for my head. Oh my god, it fits so good. Usually I use large, never again. I'm gonna always use extra large. Now I put the wig on. I am just hot combing the roots in the front and of course my part. I have already cut off my ears. I like to do that off camera because it's hard for me to see as it is, and there's no way I could like show it and do it right on camera. And then I'm plucking my part so it's a little bit more defined. I went in with my foundation. But that was too light for the part, so I went over the foundation with my contour powder. I cut the lace. Cutting the lace is also hard for me to do on camera, so it does look kind of raggedy the first day, but I did go back in and fix it. Same for my foundation. I added foundation to the lace, but I didn't do it. And this right here, that's a big no-no, how I'm smearing that across my head. You'll definitely be able to see it. So, oh gosh, it's just like mistakes I make when I'm like, oh my god, that's killing me that I'm doing that. Mistakes that I make when I'm filming videos, because I'm just trying to make sure you can see. Oh no, my hair just always turns out better when I'm not doing a video, but that's not helping y'all, so I always just try. I wet my hair off camera. I just put water, you guys, only water. And then in the front, some of the frontal didn't, the curl wasn't as tight, so I went in with the purple foam. What is that called? Nairobi. And I added a little bit of that to the front, and it did help curl up some more. These curls are loose, which I love, and with my roots being straighter, this hair is my favorite right now. I was gonna get this wig away, but I'm gonna have to get y'all next time because I really like this hair. It's very lightweight. I did have shedding with the bundles, but I also cut them, so that could have an effect on the hair. I'm not going to say it was like that before, because when I initially ran my fingers through the hair, I didn't have any shedding. Now I also messed up here, taking some makeup remover, trying to remove the shine from the Got2b spray. So that was just a big mess up, and I tried to cover it up with foundation. Oh yeah, that was a boo-boo, but I ended up just having to like make it work. It really didn't work, but I just kept trying to make it work. And this is the finished look when the hair was wet. This is the hair semi-dry, I say about 55-60%, and this is how the hair looks completely dry. That is my favorite way for it to look. Yiroo hair links are in my description, and I'll see you guys in my next video.